Two versions of you wake up tomorrow. Same face, same life, but one detail changes everything. In the first version, you wake up before your alarm. Clear mind, sharp focus. You train hard. You think clearly. You move with purpose. In the second version, you hit snooze. You feel heavy. Your body is slow. Your mind is foggy. You avoid hard things without even realizing it. Same man, different biology. And most men today are slowly becoming the second version without knowing why. Something feels off. You're tired even after sleeping. Your workouts feel weak. Your motivation disappears for no reason. It's not laziness. It's internal. Your system is running below capacity, like trying to live your life on low battery every single day. Here's what's happening. Over the past few decades, testosterone levels in men have quietly declined, not slightly, significantly. Men today are operating at a lower baseline than previous generations. And testosterone isn't just about muscles. It controls energy, focus, mood, drive, fat storage, confidence, recovery. It affects how you show up in life. When it drops, everything feels harder. You're not being chased by danger anymore. You're being slowly drained, not by one thing, but by a system that keeps you sitting, scrolling, overstimulated, undisciplined, and over time, your body adapts to that. 1. You're not demanding strength. Your body only builds testosterone when it's required. No challenge equals no reason to produce it. If your daily life is easy, your biology becomes weak. 2. Body fat is working against you. Excess fat doesn't just sit there. It changes your internal balance. The more you carry, the more your system shifts away from strength. You feel it. Low energy, low drive, low confidence. 3. Your sleep is destroying you. Most of your recovery happens at night, not just physically, but hormonally. If your sleep is inconsistent, shallow, or short, you never fully recharge, so every day starts weaker than the last. 4. Constant stress mode. Your body thinks something is wrong, not because of danger, but because you never slow down. Notifications, pressure, overthinking. Your system stays on all day, and when that happens, recovery shuts down. 5. Environmental noise. You're surrounded by things your body wasn't designed for. Plastic exposure, processed food, artificial environments. Not deadly in one moment, but damaging over time. Now listen carefully. This is where most people expect a shortcut, a pill, a hack, a secret. That's not how this works. You don't fix this with tricks. You fix this by rebuilding your system. The rebuild protocol. Not complicated, but not easy. 1. Train with intent. Lift heavy. Push your body. Force adaptation. 3 to 4 times per week minimum. 2. Add intensity. Short bursts. Sprints. Explosive work. You need effort that demands change. 3. Fix your sleep 7 to 9 hours. Same time every night. Dark room. No distractions. This is not optional. 4. Clean your input. Real food. Protein. Healthy fats. Micronutrients. Less processed noise. More real fuel. 5. Reduce what you can. You don't need perfection, just awareness. Less plastic, better habits, smarter choices. 6. Lower body fat. Not for looks, for function. Your system performs better when you're leaner.
7. Get sunlight. Your body needs real signals. Sunlight isn't optional. It's part of your biology. Here's the truth most men avoid. This isn't a hormone problem, it's a standard problem. Low standards leads to weak habits, leads to weak system. You don't need to become someone else. You need to rebuild who you already are. In the next video, I'm going to break down the full 90-day elite rebuild system. Step by step, no confusion, no guessing. Subscribe and be ready, because once you start, there's no going back to your old self.